In this video, I'm gonna break my fast by reviewing the Meatless Farm Frozen Burger. Ho-ho! Hi, and welcome to another Break a Fast food review. My name's Jesse, and I'm the Fast and Sparky. Okay guys, so in this video I'm gonna be reviewing the Meatless Farm Frozen Burger. Plant-based, gluten-free, vegan, rich in protein. Okay, let's have a look at the box. The back of the box. Well, the back's the same as the front pretty much. The side of the box then. Right, 4 plant-based burgers made with pea protein. Okay, what are the allergens? Nothing is listed as a... Nope. No, there's no... You can see that. The ingredients are not in bold, or some of them are not in bold. So they don't list the allergens, which is unusual. Right, it's 400 grams of product. Traffic lights, let's have a look at the old traffic lights. So we've got 3 ambers and a green. We've got fat, which is an amber at 14.2 grams, and this is for each burger. Saturates 2.9 grams, that's an amber. Sugars, which is the green, 1.2 grams, and the salt is an amber, 1.24 grams. Right, calories. Now, the average calories across all my Break a Fast reviews per 100 grams is 224. So how many has this got? 217. So that's good. Right, price point. What did I pay for these? £3.50. £3.50. Again, that was at Morrison's. It's not too bad for 4 burgers, and they're 100 grams, so it's slightly under a quarter pounder, but yeah, not too bad. But I did the chicken burger, the Meatless Farm Frozen Chicken Burger, a while ago, and I was quite surprised by that. So if this is as good as that, yeah, $3.50 is okay. It's not a bad price. Now, I can't tell you how much it's got to cook in the oven because I'm not cooking it in the oven. You see, the pan fry or grill, and I'm gonna pan fry it. So pan fry for 12 to 15 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I think it's time to fire up the old hob and get some food on the plate. Okay guys, here it is. Here's my meal for today. Whoa! Look at this. Oh yes. So what we got in there, we got a cheese and onion top roll, bread roll. We've got lettuce, the burger patty, red Leicester cheese, tomato, and fried onion with burger sauce. Ho ho ho! Oh, lovely. And I've got a little bit here so I can try it. Let's have a look at it. I'll try this when I've tried it out with the old pimped version. But yeah. Right, let's break my fast. Let's get into this. Blimey, where am I starting? I don't think I got a lot of the burger. I don't think I got any of the burger. Hang on a minute. Oh, barbecue-y. Now I don't know if that's because I pan fried or is that the taste of the burger. Let's have a go. Let's try this. So that's quite red. That's quite sort of beef looking before I cooked it. And it has sort of turned out like a burger would. Sort of brown. Oh, that's quite good. Now, there's no... Oh yeah, Boo Boo will have that. He's on it. Boo Boo's on it. Yeah, he's on it. There's no bounce back ability. So it's losing score for that. The texture's not great. Yeah, there's no bounce back. That's a bit disappointing. It is quite, well, you can see it just crumble. That's disappointing. The taste is pretty good though. And the texture is actually not too bad considering it breaks down, but yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. Right, let's have a few chips. Because I'm starving. What do you think of it, Boo Boo? Not a lot, I don't think. Nice. Oh, we'll have a chip butty, shall we? Oh, yes. Got to be done. Oh, here we come. Hey, Boo, while you're up there. Now, where are you? What did you think of it? Not impressed? Well, why don't you ding the bell while you're up there, my man? Because it is nearly Christmas, isn't it? You got to hear some bells ringing. Do it yourself. Hey! Ho ho! There we go, on boy, yes! He can give it a second go. Well done, Boo Boo. Oh, he's learning. He's coming on, isn't he? You're coming on. Oh, God, I think this chair's sinking again, I think. Right, let's have another go on this burger. And then we'll give it a score. That's all. It's all breaking up here. It's all gone Pete's on. Oh, it is nice in the burger, you know. As a whole. But to be fair, old burger sauce to half get you out of a bit of a muddle, doesn't it? If you put enough of that on any burger, that'll taste good. Right. Let's have a look at some of the other scores where this sit. Well, it's definitely not up near the top. No way. Nah, it's nowhere near a 9. Would I buy it again? I mean, it's less than £1 a patty. They are quite big, they're not quite quarter pounder size, but they're just about 10 grams under, I think. I think I'd prefer the Corn Burger over this, and I gave that an 8.6. It's getting an 8.5, an 8.5, and that puts it joint bottom with another product. Right, there we go. Now, something sweet later. Now here comes, oh, you've got to get to see the other cat. There she comes. Maybe she'll ding the old bell. Piddly, go on. Can't believe it. Piddly. Nah. If he won't do it, she definitely won't. All right, Piddles. Good girl. Right, something sweet later. Now, this is going to be the last something sweet I do sat in my living room on my sofa. I'm going to do them up the table from now on. I just feel a lot more comfortable sitting up this table. And it's going to make the actual filming so much easier, and I've got to find ways to speed things up. And that's going to be one of the changes. So, but tonight's one will be on the sofa. This will be the last one on the sofa. It's another Christmas product. And it is Morrison's The Best. All right, get out of there, boo-boo. 4 sticky toffee pudding mince pies. Oh, bloomin' heck. They sound good, don't they? Huh? Sticky toffee pudding mince pies. Wow. So I'll be having them later tonight with a nice cup of coffee. And then I think that this and that one are going to be the last reviews I do before the Christmas specials hit. I think there's got to be 4 Christmas specials. There's got to be 2 like main meal ones and 2 something sweet ones. And we've got to have a bit of a party, aren't we, boo-boo? Yeah. We've got to get a few decks up and Christmas. We're going to Christmas ourselves up, and we're going to have a bit of dinner and a couple of something sweets. And I think, well, I know there's going to be 2 go out on the Friday before Christmas. So there'll be the dinner one will go out on at about 10 o'clock on the Friday, and then the something sweet will go out at about 6 p.m. that same day. And then the following day, Christmas Eve, we're going to do a breakfast. We're going to do a breaker fast breakfast, although it won't be my breakfast, it will be my evening meal, but it will be a breakfast meal. And that will be going out at about 10 o'clock Christmas Eve, and then that evening it's around about 6 o'clock I will be doing another something sweet, and that is the 4 Christmas specials what we will be doing. So yeah, if you want to make sure you don't miss them, you know what to do. Ding the old bell and hit the old subscribe button and ding that bell so you're notified. Hey Bedley, huh? Right, we just need Bob to put in an appearance now, and that's a full set. Bob? Nah, he's fast asleep over there. Poor old boy, he's getting old now, is our Bob. He's 13. 13. He's doing well though. He still get about. Right. Okay then. That, guys, is another Fast Broken Buyer food review. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll join me, the Custard Kid, Bob over there, and old Piddly Pants here again soon on the next one. Take care. Oh, I'm now going to finish this off. It's not bad, especially when you get the old burger sauce in there. It has got a barbecue-y taste though. Whoa. That ain't bad, Piddly.